Hi, I'm really excited to talk to you about why we launched Vidcast. Because if you remember before the pandemic, there was already a sense of meeting fatigue. Executives and busy folks felt like they spent it way too much time in meetings and that they weren't as productive as they want. So if you see this search at Google, it's auto completing to meetings are a waste of time and such. And the thing that really bothers most people now, particularly the pandemic, is you're meeting with people all over the world, and it's so odd that you have to wait for calendars to align. I have a really busy executive team. Some of them come from acquired companies, and when we all need to get together, it's actually hard to carve out the time. Sometimes you're waiting a whole week to talk about something that could have been decided much faster than that. And sometimes you want to meet someone, but you have to wait till a very late hour your time, early hour their time. At the end of the day, there's got to be a better alternative that doesn't make us just sit around so much of our time waiting. And we believe there is asynchronous video, which means gone is the requirement that all of us wait for the same time to have a communication. With asynchronous video, you can quickly record a video on your time, and you can record your screen, do a presentation, do a demo. You can widely share it. It's easily consumed with anybody. You can co-create and comment with each other. All of this collaboration happens without a meeting. And really what we're targeting here is creating a new market category. Look, Slack, when it came along, really did something different to email. Email was just too formal. And the time that it took for people to write and respond was too long. And so with communications like Slack and WebEx messaging, what you can do is you have a lot quicker, less formal interactions back and forth. And now, frankly, I spend, low digit percentage of my time in email, and it used to be much, much more than that. We believe the same thing is going to happen with meetings, that there's going to be a bunch of communications where you just couldn't wait. You wanted to get a quick point across. You wanted to share your screen. You wanted to show a presentation, walk someone through something step by step, so you didn't have to repeat it to so many different audiences. Do a very quick recording, share it out to everybody easily, and have them interact on that. Asynchronous video will take time away and create much more efficiency than you have today with meetings. And we believe in having a category defining product, meaning you just have to have a point of view. Twitter had a point of view when they created Twitter, when it was all about microblogging and not overthinking and quickly tweeting something out. Apple removed the keyboard, right? So sometimes building something beautiful is about subtraction, not just cramming a bunch of features. We believe the same thing for asynchronous video. So our whole perspective is creating a type of collaboration that's better than real time. How? Number one, we collapse time zones. We compress time. We're going to have a default play speed, which is 20% faster by default, giving you time back. We're going to create silent mode so you can read it while you're multitasking and still see the closed captions. We're going to allow you to skip to the portion that you want with chapters and thumbnails and word clouds. And we believe that we can create something that's better than original, because after you record it, you can edit it, you can get collaborative feedback, you can get, emojis and comments and even videos in response. So all of this creates a better than real-time option than meetings. And the use cases are clear. If you think about the sales and customer success persona, they're doing demos all the time. This allows them to do a demo in an iterative fashion where they do it, they get feedback, they improve it, and then they send it out and they share it out widely instead of having to have 10 different meetings. Same thing with HR. HR is frequently doing new hire onboards, trainings, and explaining to people how to do things. And this way they can do it, get feedback, iterate, move forward much, much faster and easier. Same thing with managerial and executive communications. So there's all sorts of personas we think this is going to appeal to, but we're starting out with the folks like managers, executives, customer success, sales, product, and so on, as really the initial use cases to hone in on. And if you think about how this is going to be done, it's just super simple. You come in and you decide to record a video, you choose your screen that you're going to record and what you're going to share, and then you just hit record. And then when you're done, you simply just approve it, you say share it. You can now share the link to anyone. They don't even have to have an account. Those folks can come in and they can see, and only if they want to do advanced stuff like commenting and doing emojis or doing their own video response, then would they get an account, which also is free and quite easy to get. So we're fairly certain this is going to be a very different type of collaboration. Now, we would love your feedback. This is an invitation beta. And so what we're going to do is we're going to share it with folks. You can apply for your invitation. And once you get it, you start using it, sharing it with folks. We love to get your feedback. So you can write to us at help@vidcast.io. Tell us what you want improved. Tell us what you liked. Tell us what you want more of. And if you want to share it with other people, you can also point them to the invite page where they can sign up and they'll be put in a list. At the end of the day, if a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video is worth even more than that. And you can use that really simply to capture your screen and yourself, deliver your message, share it out wherever your team collaborates, get them up to speed much, much faster, start collapsing calendar time, get rid of whole types of meetings that could have happened with much quicker video collaboration, and then get that quick iterative feedback so you can hone in on a better message, a better product. We hope you will enjoy this better than real time form of collaboration in Vidcast. Thank you very much, and we look